Hey everybody, Gears here, and today we're looking at the Estes Big Daddy rocket, which has a diameter of just about 3 inches. Might be 2.9 something, 9.5, or it's close enough. For my uses, this is going to be the nacelles for my Naboo N1 Carfighter. Typically on a rocket engine, as you can see from the photo, the fins go down here and they've conveniently cut these slots out. Very nice. So what I need those slots for is right here on this wing. So being parallel, they offer me a perfect opportunity to keep the nacelle parallel to the wing. Having a front and back stop allows me to position this back end right against the wing back to give it total stability. Then it's just a matter of tweaking it forward. So I've got a second one for over here. We'll put that on in another video. I had thought about buying 4 of these rockets. There are only 2 nacelles. However, the 2 spare rockets, what I would have done is to cut the nose cone somewhere around here, cut some of the cardboard off back there, and then flipped the nose cone around so that taper was going off towards the aft. However, there's a lot of buildup to do that I have to do, and that should create the taper I need regardless, and I don't have to buy another $80 worth of flying model rockets. The cylinder itself on the Naboo Starfighter has a bit of a cowl, which probably ends somewhere in here. So I'll be wrapping sheets of plastic around this and to build up the depth, and then I'll also build in some taper with little stepped ledges, so that way I can just plaster over the top of it. I'll probably use JB Weld or even Ava's epoxy to do that, but that will help me create the taper that I need, if any of that makes sense. So this is the bottom side of the wing. It should go like this, but it sits nice and flat on flat surfaces this way. So yeah, 2.5 minute video, not too bad. This is going to look really great. Maybe a 4-inch diameter would have been bigger. This is the largest diameter commercial rocket that I could find, but a 4-inch would have brought the nacelle up to about this size. That's probably, it's definitely bigger than I want the thing to be on the outside diameter once the cowl goes in. So I'm going to call this pretty much close to perfect for what I need it to do. So, thank you, Estes, and thanks for watching.